Tell them.
Yeah! Here's a new face of rock and roll. Let's all find it toe to toe. Hard times come. Yeah, the hard times go. When I say, come on, come on. Well, all the hooligans and fruit boys know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face. Well, all the hooligans and fruit boys know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face. One man's position brings another's opposition completely. I'm bound down on the flats where the seaside meets my lonely old town. Well, all the rudies and scares, well, they're out on the street making their way on the grill. Between the violence and sex, they smash and they beg for something to live. Well, all the hooligans and poopers know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face. Well, all the hooligans and poopers know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face. Sometimes you know there's no place to go but to a love life of crime. Yeah, but it's so wrong to steal someone's very last meal to profit up a dime. You're proposing praise while they end up in jail, skull slinging cowboys. Well, you took a bite out of the apple, a decision that got you there, boy. Oh, the hooligans and footboys know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face. Oh, the hooligans and footboys know one thing for sure. Sky's been stricken on their face.
Hooligans and rude boys. I don't want no racial hatred.
Rancid, rude boy. Rancid, hooligans. Rancid, rude boy. Rancid, hooligans and foot boys know one thing for sure. Sky's been sticking on their face. Hooligans and foot boys know one thing for sure. Another big plan to sell it to you or anyone he can, because this is much better than minimum wage. No matter how things work, he's still gonna get paid. Think about it for a minute more. It's either work at McDonald's or the corner store. A quick money fix from a deal or two. When a decision comes down, what would you do? You take a welfare state or a Dopeman state and keep the cycle spinning around. Dopeman's got the upper hand. People wanting it as much as they can, because the sweetness they'll always stay the same. And for some people it's the only way to stay sane. Think about it for a minute more. A life of crime or hanging around a liquor store. A quick drug fix to get you through when a city comes down. What would you do? You take a welfare state or a Dopeman state and keep the cycle spinning around. When the city comes down, what would you do? You take a welfare state or a Dopeman state, keep the cycle spinning around. Dopeman, 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 got another big 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 plan.
us to folks who have. Have you ever felt the pain so powerful, so heavy you collapse? No, well, I never had to knock on wood, but I know someone who has, which makes me wonder if I could. It makes me wonder if I never had to knock on wood, and I'm glad I haven't yet, because I'm sure it isn't good. That's the impression that I get. Have you ever had the odds stacked up so high you need a strength most don't possess? Or has it ever come down to do or die? You got to rise above the rest. Someone who has, which makes me wonder if I could. It makes me wonder if I never had to knock on wood, and I'm glad I haven't yet, because I'm sure it isn't good. That's the impression that I get. I'm not a coward, I've just never been tested. I'd like to think that if I was, I would pass. Look at the tested and prepare before the grace go on. Might be a coward, I'm afraid of what I might find out. Never had to knock on wood, but I know someone who has, which makes me wonder if I could. It makes me wonder if I never had to knock on wood, and I'm glad I haven't yet, because I'm sure it isn't good. That's the impression that I get. I better knock on wood, cause I'm sure it isn't good, and I'm glad I haven't yet. That's the impression that I get. okay. It's so sad to say, it's so sad to say. What we had is gone away. You could say it's sad. Think of what we could have had. I'll let you out without resistance. Parting this way is not the way we ever thought. In fact, I always thought we'd go the distance, but we went nowhere quick. So sad, it makes me sick. Just one more thing, okay. It's so sad to say. It's so sad to say. What we had is gone away. You could say it's sad. Think of what we could have had. My animosity has got the best of me. It's been feeding off the sadness deep inside me. That'll fade, I pray. And in time will I know. So far it's fading slow. Just one more thing, okay. It's all so sad to say. It's so sad to say. What we had is gone away. You could say it's sad. Think of what we could have had. So sad to say. It's so sad to say. Passion from innate, so many problems to crack and miles to fade. Crooked was the path and brazen was the walk. A cocky swagger up the ladder, and could he ever talk? But last around, I do it again. The rascal king behind the bars, or the one in front of them. Last around, I do it again. The rascal king behind the bars, or the one in front of them. The love of God and constant contradictions, and just a smile, wink and nod. What stranger fact of fiction, and never ceasing to amaze. On a regular basis, first hand into his pocket, or first fist into the face. And it's the last around, I do it again. The rascal king behind the bars, or the one in front of them. Last around, I do it again. The rascal king behind the bars, or the one in front of them. A legendary character